I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming WhatsApp completed its restore. You need the app idle and the phone unlocked. Once done, open your file manager and navigate to WhatsApp right arrow media to locate the restored folders. Make sure to back up any chats or files you still need. Deleting media is permanent. You're doing this now to free space and avoid rescan loops. If a file is in use, close WhatsApp and wait a few seconds so the system releases handles before continuing. Next, select folders that hold finished restore media, images, videos, documents, and the sent subfolder, and use bulk select to remove unnecessary files quickly. Once you delete, open your phone's trash or recycle and permanently purge them. Otherwise, storage won't free. Then go to Settings right arrow Apps right arrow WhatsApp right arrow Storage and clear cache to remove lingering thumbnails and index entries. This step prevents WhatsApp from redisplaying removed media. It also speeds up the app. Make sure you don't delete databases unless you want. Finally, restart your phone and reopen WhatsApp to verify the freed space, and that media no longer appears. If you use chat backups, toggle media visibility in settings to force a rescan. This helps WhatsApp refresh its index. If removed files reappear, it means a media database or leftover cache is restoring them. Clear the media database via File Manager or uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp after ensuring you have a fresh backup. One key troubleshooting tip: if things go wrong, restore your backup to recover accidentally deleted content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.